we are going inside of a tunnel, and Grandma and Papa are in front of us. The tunnel. It's technically a tunnel. It's like an overpass.
Oh, it is a tunnel.
It's really cool. You excited? JoJo's asleep. Audrey's upset because her jamberry peeled off her fingernail, but that's okay. Oh, this is the short one. This isn't like the big long one.
Yeah, no.
Aw, I like the long one.
We haven't gotten up to.
We haven't gotten up there. Here's the station, the MARTA station, Jediah.
Wait, I think I looked at
MARTA station's
Look,
up above.
guys, right here, we're going to be going underneath.
We're going underneath these buildings. You guys, we are going to be driving underneath them.
Yep.
Oh, here we go. Woo! Yeah, here, the building's up above. And we're going under it. Oh, whoa. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, our lights didn't.
Can't really see. It's so cool. Woo, bright. Blinding bright. The best day of our lives. I think somebody's really excited.
Daddy needs to speed
Here
up.
comes the plane. What? Whoa. Here it comes. It looks so much bigger in person. It's not as big. Whoa. It looks so much bigger in person. The camera doesn't do it justice. Aw. We're under the overpass, but you can still kind of see the tail end of it. Top duster. Oh, I didn't get to film it. My camera was. I gotta film the flags. I love a big flag. I just think they're absolutely beautiful. Isn't it? It waves so slow and beautiful and majestic. America! Love it.
Here's the sign.
Here's the sign.
Here's the sign. Florida state line. See?
Do you see it?
But now you got a nice pretty welcome to Florida. Right
Look
there.
at
See
that.
it?
Welcome
Everybody
to
look.
Florida.
Look, it looks like Jurassic Park.
Kinda does look like Jurassic Park.
See it?
Florida!
look at the palm tree.
We're in Florida. Yep, palm trees. Like as soon as you get into Florida, people are like, look, a palm tree!
Well,
They purposely plant them along here just for that aspect.
I was going to say, how many did you see on the other side?
I know, right?
Like none.
But it's just so funny that it's like, that's what people expect. I expect to see palm trees when I go into Florida, and so they planted all of these. I just think it's funny. And then there's the leaving Florida one. That's
Because
great.
it is funny.
It's just so funny. It's like, look,
they planted,
Florida.
they planted palm trees.
We're in Florida. Florida, my home stomping grounds. Yay. It's hot. I'm not happy.
Sure.
98.
The temperature is not what matters. The temperature is not what matters.
I know.
The
Humidity.
is not too bad out there.
Only because the clouds are kind of covering the sun. If the clouds were to move away, we would burn to a crisp in 1 second.
Disagreeing with you.
Yay! What's that tag?
Arkansas.
Arkansas. We've been playing this license plate game, and what we got 26 out of the 50 states. Yeah, but they added Washington D.C. so technically there's 51 tags that we need to be looking for. But cool. Can't really see it very well.
Every part you see
There's Spanish moss all over the trees.
These
It's hard to see in the
specifications are given to the various computer-controlled machines.
Yeah, tractor.
Journey to
Woolly bear.
John Deere
Is it a woolly bear?
I don't know.
No, it's not a woolly bear.
Yeah, it is.
New
What's-
combines are also shipped by rail.
No, what's the name of that bug that can survive? That little creature that can survive anything?
Woolly bear.
Do you remember? What? A water bear. Water bear. Woolly bears are like those caterpillars. Anyways, that's what that cloud reminds me of.
Looks
Where'd it
like an
go?
airplane to me.
It reminds me of like one of those water bears.
Looks like a flying dragon.
A flight.
Like on the
Upside down dragon?
No, the wings are up in the air.
Because this looks like he's upside down.
No, it's long ways. Looking at him from the side.
Yeah?
The wings are in the air. His tail's over here. His head's
Okay.
here.
Okay, I see what you're
Looks
saying.
like the cinch tail.
Cinch tail.
I don't know the names. I don't know what you're talking about.
Wait, is it really the cinch tail you're thinking of?
Yeah.
It is? Okay. Because I was like a
Or even
bronco?
even
Because
a
it's so
chameleon.
fat.
No, the wings are in the air.
I
And
see
you
the
got
wings
some
are in the
fire coming
air.
out the-
I see the, yeah. It's funny. Alright, look. We're going to be coming up over this hill and you'll get to see the buildings. There they are. See the buildings through the haze?
go under. Okay, that's good.
Oh, I can't see very well. Wow. Haven't seen these signs in a long time.
Wow. All this is new.
It's new.
I don't
A lot
remember any of this.
like, yeah.
I mean, I don't remember any of this. But of course, I don't think we've come this way.
No, I think we went the other way.
We've always gone around.
This is where Mommy used to live, and I actually can really legit know that is the St. John's River.
That's a river.
That's the St. John's River. And the landing
It is big. Look at the bridges.
Do you see those buildings over there that have brown rooftops? That's the landing. That's a really cool place. It's got shopping and food to go eat, and you get to see the beautiful bridge light up blue at nighttime.
See that blue bridge?
Yeah, it's awesome. Jacksonville. Represent 904. Terrible Jaguar football team, but everybody loves them. Jack's Beach city limits. Get over, person. Look at all the marsh out there. Boats. Boats and boats and boats. Marshy land and boats. Yay. What? There's a blimp. Where? I don't know if I'll be able to film it though.
Georgia boy passing you.
Georgia boy passing you.
Sorry.
I can't see the blimp. There it is. Oh, it's so hard to film it. You can see a little jiggly dot right there. That's a blimp, if you can tell. Jacksonville Beach.
You have left your detention.
Yay! We're watching VeggieTales. It's really loud. There's the beach. See the ocean out there. I see the sand and the water, and I see a seagull and vehicles and people on bicycles. So here's the place that we're staying, this little beach house, and it was legit across the street from the beach. So we can just go walkie beach. Yeah, it's gonna be fantastic, and it's gonna be hot. There's a blimp. Jedi's getting all pumped about it.
It's golfing, honey.
Yep, the players for like golf.
I didn't know they were having a golf. Well, that must have been. Well, no,
That's where those kids are next.
cruise ship. Looks like cruise ship.
I don't know where you're looking. Way out there. There. Somewhere. First time. Look at Josie. Go, Josie, walk.
Couple boats way out there.
Come on.
All that in their
Come on.
sandals.
It's okay if it gets in your shoes. She doesn't like it in her shoes. We're on the beach. Yay. What do you think about the beach? Huh? Do you like it? Hey, Jojo. You got your toesies in the sea?
Lots of red ones, but I'm done.
Wow, you just picked up a bunch of stuff. You can go rinse your toes off in the water with Daddy. Everybody's hanging out. Papa's walking far away. Whitaker, stay with us. Are you a crab? He's a crab. Hey, pretty crabby. Oh, look at her piggies. She's so cutesy. Don't throw stuff, dude.
Whitaker.
Happy Mother's Day. Airplane pulling a banner. That's awesome. Salt life. What? It's a piece of coral. Cool. Daddy caught a jellyfish. Hold on. It's blurry.
It's dead.
Blobby, snotty jelly. Can't really see it. My camera blurred. Georgie! It's gonna get you! It's gonna get you!
Don't worry about it.
The killer whales jumping out, grabbing you. We have to worry about land sharks. Show it to Mommy. Show me. What is it? A unicorn horn. This is, if anybody didn't know, this is a unicorn horn. Put it in your bucket. Put your unicorn horn in your bucket. A unicorn horn, guys. I love it. It's gotta get you. Here it comes. Jedi's running. And Wit. Come here, Wit. Whitaker. Look at the little surfer.
Now this actually is pretty deep right here.
It is deep.
I don't have much of the...
Not much of a city, but
Not
it is
much
a
of a
special
city
city.
at all.
It's a beautiful city. It really is a very pretty city. But there's Jacksonville. There's a boat out on the water. There's Jacksonville. Love it. We are on our way to go have a Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. We keep forgetting today's Mother's Day. We're going to go have a Mother's Day dinner with my parents. And we are going out to Orange Park. I used to live in Orange Park as well. Went to school there, some elementary, mostly junior high, and a little bit of elementary out in Orange Park. But off we go, so you can see Jacksonville way over there, little dot of a Jacksonville. We're riding along one of my favorite roads that my Aunt Alice used to drive me and my cousin Jack down all the time. She liked it, so we always rode down it, and I agree on why she liked it, because you rode right along the river, see all the docks, and the houses were always really nice looking. I'm not really sure what they look like now, I haven't really looked at them, but it's really pretty out there. A lot of the docks have been damaged, though, due to, I guess, being old and hurricanes, storms. Yep, they're repairing or replacing. Some of these have been totally replaced and repaired. See, those are nice. Those are nice. Look at the beach. They put like a beachy sand in and everything.
Everything that's there.
A beachy sand, sandy beach.
Everything that is there is new.
Yes.
Or replaced.
All new or replaced.
There's nothing
Look at this.
old that's
They've got
left.
They've got like a, you know, a boathouse, but look, the dock is just like
done.
What dock? There's no dock.
They've never replaced them.
Nope, never replaced it. There's Old Glory. Beautiful. Look at the sunset. I just wish we were out at the beach because it would be really pretty. Except it would be behind us. It wouldn't be out, you know, in front. But look how